trauma changes everything. It shakes your sense of safety, challenges your confidence, and often leaves invisible scars that others can't see. But here's the truth: healing is possible. Confidence can be rebuilt. And you don't have to do it alone. When you experience trauma, your brain and body react in ways designed to protect you. The amygdala, your fear center, stays on high alert. The hippocampus replays memories, sometimes without warning. And your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that helps you think clearly, struggles to quiet the storm. This is why even simple moments, driving after an accident, walking into a crowded room, or trusting someone again, can feel overwhelming. But your brain is resilient. Through a process called neuroplasticity, it can rebuild, adapt, and heal over time. With the right support, therapy, medication when needed, and consistent self-care, your mind and body can begin to find balance again. Confidence after trauma isn't rebuilt in one big moment. It grows slowly, through small, intentional steps. Celebrate small wins. Even simple achievements like leaving the house or making a phone call are signs of strength. Reframe negative thoughts. Replace "I can't do this" with "I'm learning and I'm healing." Gradual exposure, safely re-engaging with situations that once felt impossible, helps retrain your brain to feel safe again. And lean on your support system. Healing happens faster when you're not walking the path alone. Mind-body practices can help you reconnect and regulate your emotions. Deep, mindful breathing to calm your nervous system. Guided meditation or visualization to release tension. Journaling to process emotions and track progress. Gentle movement, yoga, stretching, or walking, to reconnect with your body in a safe way. At Frame of Mind Clinic Psychiatry, we understand that trauma recovery is deeply personal. That's why we create individualized, evidence-based treatment plans, combining therapy, medication management, mindfulness, and compassionate support to help you feel safe and understood. Our team walks with you every step of the way. Rebuilding confidence after trauma takes time. It takes patience. But every small step forward is proof of your strength and resilience. At Frame of Mind Clinic Psychiatry, we're here to support you, with compassion, with science, and with care, as you rediscover your voice, your power, and your confidence. Visit us at www.frameofmindclinic.com or call 725-726-8216 to schedule an appointment.